Hi everyone, and welcome to Note by Note. Today I will be showing you how to play You Are My Sunshine. So let's jump in and learn how to play this, note by note. To make this lesson beginner friendly, this song will be played in the key of B, which can be easily transposed to the key of C for those who prefer that key. To get started, you will need your guitar in standard tuning, and you will need a capo on the 4th fret. However, if you would prefer this song in the key of C, all you have to do is move it up 1 fret, so the capo will be on the 5th. And you're ready to go. You will only need to learn 3 chords for this song. The first chord will be a G major. To play this chord, you will just take your 3rd and 4th finger and place them on the bottom 2 strings on the 3rd fret. And then you will take your 1st finger and place it on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret on the 6th string. The second chord will be a C major. To play this chord, you will need to place your 1st finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, your 2nd finger and place it on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and take your 3rd finger and place it on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. And finally, you will need a D major. To play this chord, you will need to place your 1st finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, your 2nd finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. For the right hand, we will be using a simple strum pattern, which will have 5 down strums and 1 up, so it will sound like this. Again, that's this pattern will be played once for each chord, except for a few spots, which I will show you when we get there. For the introduction, we will play G for 2 bars, which means that the strumming pattern will be repeated twice. So that'll sound like this. Our next chord in the intro will be a C major, and we will repeat this drum pattern once. Our next chord will be a G, and we will play the strum pattern once. Again on C. And again on G. Next we will go to a D major. And we will return to G for 1 bar. So altogether, the intro will sound like this. To a D major. And on G. And that will bring us to our verse. For the verse, we will start on G and play it for 2 bars, just like the introduction. Then you will play G again, but this time for only half a bar. So the strumming pattern for this section will be down, down, up. Again, that's down, down, up. So that'll sound like this. So the first line of the verse will sound like this. And then we will flip to a C for 1 bar. And then we will return to a G for 1 bar. The G to C to G will be repeated again, so the next line will sound like this. Okay, for the final line of the verse, we will change to a D major for 1 bar and a G major for 1 bar. So that'll sound like this. Okay, the chorus will be played exactly like the verse, which we have already learned. So just like the verse, we will play G for 2 bars for the first line. The second line, G is played for a half a bar, and then C for a full bar, and then we will return to G again. And then this will be repeated for the next line. So altogether, that'll sound like this. You can then repeat the verse and the chorus for the rest of the song until the last line of the chorus at the end of the song. Here you will play a single strum on G for half a bar, 1 strum on D for 1 bar, and end with a final strum on G. So that will sound like this. If you want to add more dynamics to the end of the song, you could play a different variation of the D chord. To play this chord, you will form the shape of the C major that we have learned earlier in the song, but shift it up 2 frets. So the final line of the chorus will sound like this. Okay, that is it for the song. For a full playthrough, you could check out the link in the description where I'm joined with my sister, who will provide vocals for you to follow along with. I hope you enjoyed learning how to play You Are My Sunshine, and if you have any questions or want to share your experience learning this song, please feel free to post in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you find this video helpful and want to support this channel, please like and subscribe so you will never miss a video. And keep learning guitar note by note. See you next time!